Now here's how we can hide mutual friends on Facebook. So open up the Facebook app of your phone, tap on the menu button below in the bottom right corner, then proceed to the settings, which is marked by the gear icon. Then inside of these settings, scroll down a bit more and go to the audience and visibility section. From there, click on how people find and contact you. There, at the top of the list, you have two options: who can send you friend requests and who can see your friends list. So in order to hide the mutual friends, change the who can see your friends list from public to either friends or some other option. Ideally, you can only make it for yourself, so click on only me and nobody else will be able to see that. Now, it might still recommend some people to you based on your mutual contacts, but it will not show it to anybody else, and this makes it kind of useful. So that's how it works. Let me know below in the comments if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and guides like this one, and I'm gonna catch you later in the next videos.